If we talk about electric motorbikes, then there is one well-known brand that can be said to be a pioneer in the electric motorbike industry. Zero Motorcycle, a brand originating from America, founded by Neil Saki, a NASA-funded engineer. Building the electric motorcycle industry since 2006, with its first legal street product, an electric motorcycle with the Zero S label. It hit the conventional motorcycle market, which is still fueled by fossil fuels. Currently, Zero Motorcycle has various variants of electric motorcycle products that not only fill the American domestic market, but have also penetrated other parts of the world, such as Europe, Africa to Asia. The Zero Motorcycle lineup is divided into the street bike category, which includes the Zero SR/S, SRF, SR, S, and FXE. Then for the dual sport bike category, there are DSR-X, DSR, DS, and FX. In the street bike category, Zero SR/S is the highest class. This motorbike brings many features and is equipped with a large capacity battery and a driving motor with extraordinary performance. With the Chyper 3 Plus operating system, vehicle performance and features can be improved through an application on a smartphone connected to a motorcycle. With Bosch's motorcycle stability control, power can be controlled according to terrain and road conditions. Zero SR/S is designed for a high level of comfort when driving an electric motorbike. This is thanks to a comfortable driving position through the position of the handlebars, the seat and the rider's footrests. Even for the pillion, it is designed to be comfortable when sitting and invited to ride with this motorbike. Speaking of power, the Zero SR/S is very easy to achieve the high torque and power typical of American motorcycles. The Z-Force 75-10 Zero motor is capable of producing 190 Nm of torque and 110 horsepower of power. Supported by a large capacity battery, namely the Z-Force 17.3 kWh. Zero SR/S provides a choice of riding modes that allow riders to adapt their motorcycle's performance to current driving conditions. The following are several choices of driving modes on the Zero SR/S: Rain, Eco, Standard, Sport, and Canyon. With the Zero Next Gen application downloaded from the Play Store or App Store, the rider can customize the riding mode according to the wishes of the smartphone. Also from the Zero Next General application, riders can view important driving history records such as energy consumption used, last trip statistics, customize or change the appearance of the dashboard via a smartphone connected to the motorbike. With the Z-Force 17.3 battery pack, the Zero SR/S can travel up to 300 kilometers. If coupled with a power tank, the battery capacity can be close to 21 kWh. A large battery capacity, of course, is also supported by a fast charging device. The SR/S uses a 6 kW on-board charger. The duration needed to charge the battery from 0% to 100% is around 2.7 hours. SR/S is equipped with a very light frame. Very strong. A steel trellis frame. Custom swing arm and state-of-the-art Showa suspension provide an athletic and intuitive ride. The powertrain is perfectly distributed, resulting in a design optimized for weight center of mass. While a dual radial front brake system makes speed release as much fun as it is to build. Following are the technical specifications of the Zero SR/S.